your high. I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen, and today we are making something delicious as usual. These are marinated cucumber spears, and I had these at my birthday dinner in the summer and they were absolutely delicious. I made them last week. They were gobbled up and it's super easy to make. Keep in the fridge, and it's a great crunch if you like crunch. I love crunch. So I've already started a little bit because I'm doubling the recipe because they were all eaten, so I need more. Sumo loves his cucumbers. He's already been munching on some of the ends. So very simple. We're going to take the little Persian cucumbers and we're going to quarter them. Now I've put some already in a flat bowl because we're going to marinate them. So you just top and tail them, as my mother used to say. So you cut the ends off. Give some to Sumo, he loves his cucumber. And then we're just going to cut them into quarters. So you cut them in half and then again into quarters, so you've got the spears. That's all you do. So we're going to do that. Cucumbers are so good for you, and these are full of flavor. They're delicious. All right, so, and then to that, now the recipe did say you add the dill at the last minute, but I love dill, so I'm just going to add it in all together. So we add some freshly sliced garlic, thinly sliced. We're just going to put all that on the top. We're going to add some some salt and pepper. Freshly ground. And a good pepper grinder is the best thing in the kitchen. We're going to add some vinegar. Now you can add, I use white balsamic, you can use white vinegar. There's all kinds of vinegars you can use. So I'm just going to put that on the top. I'm going to put some red pepper flakes. Now this gives it a really nice heat. If you don't want it too spicy, you don't have to add too much, but gives it a nice kick. And then we're going to add the dill. Now, you can always add the dill last with the lime juice. I'm just not even going to do that. I'm just going to add it all in at the same time. Then we're going to toss it together and just let it marinate in the fridge. You can let it marinate for like an hour, overnight. Like these will keep for the next day too. They'll be still be crunchy. They won't go soggy. If you have any left, that is. Okay. And they smell amazing, and they also look beautiful. Look at this. You can see the dill and the red pepper, delicious. That's it. Like, I don't even have to come back and show you the end result because this is it. Keep it in the fridge covered, toss it so all the spears get coated in the vinegar and the marinade, and that's it. You have delicious, healthy, crunchy cucumber spears. Enjoy.